What should you do if you're injured in an accident and the at-fault driver doesn't have enough insurance coverage? Well, in Illinois, you should look to your own insurance policy to see if you have underinsured motorist coverage. Here's how underinsured motorist coverage, or UIM, works. Let's say that you're hit by another driver and they only have $25,000 in coverage, but you have $100,000 in coverage on your policy. And let's say you can persuade your own insurance company that your claim is worth $75,000. So the first thing you would do is get their permission to take the first $25,000 from the at-fault insurance company. You need to be careful about this. You need to get it in writing. You don't want to accidentally waive or void your underinsured motorist coverage. So you have to carefully follow the rules of the policy. A lawyer can help advise you on that if you need it, but let's assume all goes well and you get their permission to take the first $25,000 and you get the at-fault carrier's offer of $25,000. So you would take the first $25,000 from the at-fault carrier, and then you would take the next $50,000 from your own insurance coverage. So that would result in a total settlement to you of $75,000. But let's say you don't carry underinsured motorist coverage. Then in that same situation, you'd be stuck with a recovery of $25,000 and the unattractive option of trying to pursue the driver that hit you for their personal assets. And often folks who don't have much insurance coverage don't have much by way of personal assets. So the real takeaway from this is the most important thing you can do to protect yourself and your family from an injury claim by an underinsured driver is to make sure that you have adequate underinsured coverage. It's surprisingly low-cost coverage, so I'd recommend you reach out to your insurance agent, take a look at your policy declarations together, and see where your underinsured coverage is. Make sure it's enough that if you were injured significantly and were able to work for some time, that you'd be able to support your family. And take a look at that, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks so much for watching the video.